Hey guys, today I'm just filming this DIY acrylic nails at home, so if you want to see how to get these, then keep watching. So I already cut and prepped my nails with the Burt's Bees lemon butter cuticle cream, and the nails I'm using are the Mac Art nails. I just bought these off Amazon and they come with 500 pieces for under $10, so it's a great deal. The sizes range from 0 to 9, and 0 being the biggest, 9 being the smallest. So I'm just going to take each acrylic nail size and measure it to the size of my real nails. And I'm just repeating this step for all of my nails. As I size my nails, I just lay them out in order from my thumb to my pinky so I can remember which is which. So now that the nails are all sized and laid out, I'm going in with this Kiss Maximum Speed nail glue. This nail glue is very strong, probably the best nail glue at the drugstore. So I just apply this all over my nail very generously so I can make sure that my nails last a long time. And after I apply the glue, I just go in with the acrylic nail and I push it back into my cuticles, and then I press down on it for about 3 to 5 seconds to make sure that it's really stuck onto my real nail. I just repeat this step to all of my nails. So I did get some glue on my little cloth, and I do kind of make a mess in this video, so I apologize for that, but it can be a little bit messy. And also be careful with this glue as well, because your fingers can get stuck together very easily, so just be careful. So I did not film me applying all the nails because that would take extra long, but these are all the nails after they are all glued on, and they do have like these weird little tips to them. So I'm just taking this Hallee electric nail filer, and you guys can use a regular nail filer, but I couldn't find mine, so this is just my backup. And you can just get this at Walmart or any drugstore really. So I'm just going in with this and filing off all those weird little tips to my nails. So now it is time to paint our nails, so I'm just going in with this Sally Hansen Miracle Gel nail polish, and I chose pink because it's Valentine's Day in 2 days, so I figured why not get in the spirit and do pink. So I'm just taking this and painting all of my nails. While painting your nails, they don't have to be perfect. I know I'm not perfect at painting nails, and I don't think anybody really is, so they don't have to be perfect. It's okay if you make a little bit of a mess, because I'm going to show you guys how I go in when I'm done and clean up my nails. So don't worry if you make a little bit of a mess, because you can always clean it up after. So after I finished, I just went ahead and did my other hand off camera, and I also applied a second coat to both hands. And now I'm just going in with this CoverGirl Salon Solutions top coat, and this is just a fast drying top coat, so I'm just applying this to all of my nails as well. So after I finish applying my top coat, I'm just going to go in and clean up around the edges of my nails. So I'm just going to take a Q-tip and this Healthy Accents nail polish remover, and I'm just pouring a little bit into the cap. Then I dip my Q-tip into the nail polish remover and I just clean around my nails where any of the nail polish got out of place. So I just went in and repeated this step to the rest of my nails as well. These are the finished nails after they are all cleaned up. These are super simple and super cheap. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and it's hard to do a thumbs up with these nails, but if you did enjoy the video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe down below for more videos, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!